Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Post. Basically, I'm academic helper. I can do economics, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Access, all online courses, writing, business, finance, accounting, mathematics, all online courses. If you want my services, I can perform my best. You can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description or subtitle of the video. So I started my project today, which is Exp22 World Cumulative Pool. So it's title of the assignment and title of the project. So we move to our first step. Our first step is step number one. Step number one is start project description. So we thoroughly read this project description, get the idea what we do in this assignment. You and your friend from the college are starting a new business, pool maintenance and supplies operations. You plan to have on hand various documents and brochures related to pool ownership, one of which you are working with now. You will use the skills presented in this chapter to format text, adjust alignment and indents, bullets and number lists, or incorporate various types of graphic objects that help describe the process of caring for a pool. Now move to our step number 1. Start a world, download and open the file name Exp22 World Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool Docs. Greater has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name, ensure that non-printing character. So I already started the world, downloaded and opened the file, already did this. So our step number 1 is already completed. Now we move to our next step. Our next step is select the crystal clear perfection at the end of first paragraph and bold it, and select all text and change to font Arial. Okay. So at the end of select the crystal clear perfection at the first body paragraph and bold it. Crystal clear perfection at the end of first body paragraph. So we move to first we bold this and select all the text and change the font Arial. Okay. Change the font. Arial and change the alignment of selected text to justify. So set it justify. Our step number 2 is completely done. See my video full. You can get very benefit from this video for your project if you want with yourself. Select the first 2 body paragraph on page 1 and adjust the line spacing 1.5. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0. Select for the selected paragraph. So first we do first 2 body paragraph. Selected first 2 body paragraph is selected. Now line change is 1.5. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after 0. 0 0, we do this 0 pt, and apply first line indent for 2 paragraphs only. So we do this, apply first line indent 0.5, apply here and check. Our step number 3 is now completed. Now we move to our next step because our step number 3 is completed. So we move to our next step. Next step is select all subheading that are formatted. So step number 4 is select all subheading that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. So we selected all subheadings. We changed the font size 14. Okay, subheading. We selected the subheadings bold and change the font size is 14. So we selected this, change the font size 14. We changed it here and selected the font size 14. Checked this heading, change the font size 14. I will similarly do this for all and change the font size 14. So also do here and change the font size 14. We also do here, it's also bold and change the font size 14. So our step number 4 is all subheading formatted in bold and change the font size 14. So I already changed all subheadings font size. Our step number 4 is completed. So select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of depressed heading, beginning with check the pool is water balance and ending with add an LG side. Add a box triple line border with line weight 3/4 in color blue gray text to shade the border area blue gray text to letter 60. Okay, so we selected these 4 paragraphs and goes to where border section box 3/4 and box color is blue gray text to blue gray text to and shading with blue gray text to letter 16. Okay, so our step number 5 is completed now. So we move to our next step. Our next step is display the ruler and click the position of insertion pad at the top of the document and press enter. And click on selected newly inserted blank paragraph. Drag and move the first line indent marker and left version to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. So we go to here and press enter here and Next is display. First press enter. If we first display ruler, so if we display ruler already display ruler here, so click and insert a black paragraph on the blank. So we remove this first line indent from here, so we go here, home tab, click paragraph. Now we set this none. So our first line indent is moving now. Now our step number 6 is completed. Then next one is step number 7. Step number 7 is set our tab, left tab at 1 and right tab at 5. So we select to do this. Left tab, check here, is a left tab, so we check here left. Now we change this right tab, and then right tab is 5. So then ensure that right tab includes a test leader. So we go just over here, selected a tab, right, selected the right tab, dash leader, so dash leader selected. Now press tab and type your pool. So press tab and type your pool. Press tab and type your pool, and then press tab, type, and then press tab and type your way. Your way. Change the fonts of your pool and your way to, let's set this window calligraphy in both bold. Okay. Change the font size. Okay. So we selected this tab and sorry, Lucinda calligraphy. Okay, so we find this calligraphy. Then next is change the bold for bold and change the font size 10. Okay, so change this, do this bold and change the font size 10. Our step number 7 is completed. Now, if you want complete solution of this file or complete course deal, contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description or subtitle of the video. You can get good grades. I perform my valuable work for you. Hopeful my video is you can get knowledge from my video. Subscribe my channel and share the video link with your friend, colleagues. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.